only see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get it when you see a trade you want. You know how you get it when you see a trade you want. I gotta be it. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing, now they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 you gotta wait for confirmation.
Let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this. I can be your number one, we know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop, says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a illusion. No, he sees life through different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in.
Trader.
Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so bright, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in.
Trader.
He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank.
Yeah.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Matt? Every fucking day.
Oh, the intro kills me, dog. I love our intro so much. Our intro kills me, y'all. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Lama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play. It is Monday, March 30th, and it's about to be 9:30 in the morning, baby. That shit kills me, dog. Llama going like this, and they freeze on my boy about to take a bite of yogurt. He's about to eat the yogurt, and he goes like this.
Did you say joke? Did you say
Yogurt.
yogurt?
Yeah, yogurt. What's happening, baby? You alive?
That's how we're starting? I'm tired, bro.
Like that intro's gas. Yeah, Llama steals it because the shit just goes to him eating yogurt, and then it freezes on, and then he goes. He's so fucking cute. The market's gonna open in 3, 2, 1. Suavemente, besame.
I'm taking a partial
Oh,
there, and I'm break even on the trade and see if it pulls me out.
wait a minute. What was that Microsoft? Wait a minute. Is Microsoft pumping
I'm
or
gonna
no?
take partials a little bit more, and I'm gonna
You
put
know what
one
it
at
is? Oh, big
398.
green
Follow
stick on
2,
SPX.
going on.
Holy macaroni. And Q fighting for its
Pulled out
life
of
here.
2
Let's see what
already.
happens.
Pulled out of 2, one
And Q
micro
can pop
running,
up
leaving it break
over
even.
that 20-ish mark. I'm definitely gonna interested in a continuation on a long. Shlama, what are you thinking?
I have
If it breaks,
one micro running. I already partial
what are
most
you,
of it out.
Shlama?
I wanted to see a full print
Shlama?
through under this 87, and we can continue
muted?
going lower.
No, that was me.
I want to see a continuation. We're continuing here. I only have one micro running on this, but it has to have a nice print through, and I'll hold it on top of. I got pulled out already. I had it at 95.
I
Not
kind of
bad.
like the long here. There it goes.
Yeah,
If it can
break of
break
this
that
is
20,
good.
there it goes. Wow. There it goes. Wow. Just like I
Flip
was
it
talking
right
about.
back
I want to
down
see it
to
break that
ones.
20. I want to see that
I
20
think I could
twin
target this big ass
twin.
Trump tweet, bro. I don't know if I treat this Trump tweet like data or not.
Trump.
I'm struggling to figure
Donnie?
out.
Donnie? I like
You
the
seen this
long.
Trump
I like
tweet,
the
bro?
long. I like the long. Here we go.
I jumped into
I'm
the long as
scalping that
well.
thing over 20. I'm up
It's
15 points.
120.1 minute candle over here at 726. Like, did you see this shit?
Hold on.
Fib
I got
level.
it
We
at
have to break that. If
19.
not, it's a problem.
Don't pull me out. Don't pull
I think
me
a
out.
healthy stop goes at like 507. I think a healthy stop goes at like 505, 503 in case it does wick out. Kind of just see if it goes to target this big ass candle. It's got to break over this fib level though.
Yep. Yep.
Definitely
Go.
got to break over
Go,
that.
Bobby. Go. This is the continuation you need right here. Bang. Get up there.
I'm
Get
not
up
even
there.
sharing fucking charts, bro. I'm an idiot.
Get up there, you silly goose. Get
Fuck
up there,
me.
you silly goose. Nice wick
My
there.
fault, guys. My fault. Screen. I get it. My bad. I wasn't reading. I was focused on the charts. I was in a pre-market trade.
There's a BNR on that structure. So now if we can get a
I want
pop
to see
back
this
up,
hold.
right? If we
If
get a
we can
pop back
hold
up
over
here,
508, I like it.
yeah, this is the entry right here. If we get a wick up, this is the entry.
It's worth the risk. Taking
Right,
a
no,
buyer is worth the risk.
100%.
It's that prior support. You want to see turn resistance. I just hate when it rejects a fib level like this.
Ooh.
So you want to see this candle wick out and the next candle 3 bar and just break the high. If not, you take a loss for like 10 points.
You're talking spicy. You're talking spicy. This needs to wick up above 20. Let's see it.
Yeah, you need to wick out like within the next 10 seconds. If not, it's a problem. It's a super problem.
Oh, oh.
Nope, that's a full. That's not doing what it needed to do.
Hold on. Let's
30
see if we have
seconds,
the
not
chop or
bad.
a dumpy. We're dumping,
Full
baby.
break. The dump, I
We're
got hit with
dumping.
SL. I got a SL there. Yeah,
You gotta wait. You
confirmation.
gotta wait. You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for confirmation.
Didn't print through. It just wicked through it. I sold my stupid ass.
Yeah, but SPX still looks strong. ES still looks strong. Why is NQ being a hoe?
I don't know. Stop fucking fib
You
level
see that
rejection.
NQ's kind of being a hoe, right?
He's
NQ's
being
kind
a
of being a hoe. I'm gonna wait and
being
be
a hoe.
patient. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for confirmation.
I do beat out, but I'm not gonna lie, it's hella weak. 3 right through the
Yeah.
5-minute red line. Tight orb. Compared to the other orbs we've seen, this is tight. It's only 60 points. It's gonna break out. I just don't know if it's gonna break out to the bottom or the top. We have divergence.
That's the
Multiple under
problem.
midline. That's the fall.
That's the problem.
fall.
Which
Gonna break out
wins?
to a newer low. Yep, there's a newer low. Bigger orb has already been made.
Ooh.
Now we gotta see if
Ooh.
we break through this FEG or not. Because this is what could hold.
Ooh, this looks really good now for reversal down. If this doesn't hold. Ooh.
Nice. That was good.
You gotta wait.
Was hella
You
good.
gotta wait. You gotta wait for confirmation. This
And
looks
I'm gonna
really
just
good
go
for a
break even
reversal
on it.
down. Wow, there it goes. It looks really good for a reversal down.
Yep. I jumped into that one for the breakout. I'm break even as well on
Yeah,
this.
that looks really freaking good.
Once we broke under this mid, I jumped into it. I knew we would break it. Now we
Look at
have
it
a
go.
bigger
Wow,
orb.
wow, wow.
That 60-point orb wasn't big enough. I'm gonna
Nice.
see if we go down to 550. And there's 550. I'm gonna partial another one and trail on top of that candle. It's too big.
If SPX does not eat up that candle right now, this thing's gonna dump. Holy moly.
Yep, there's 550 on the dot from level to level. I'm just gonna see if it breaks that or not. Fully break even.
Good shit, Lama. Good shit. Look at the short. There it goes. The reversal
If it
looks
breaks
so
this, we
good.
have a lot of room. Like we have another 100 points if it breaks this, but if it holds, it's gonna flip all the way back around. 30-second structure is aggressive to the south side. Like aggressive.
All
The first
time frame.
stall out would be your exit. First stall out would be the exit. Divergence told us everything here.
This
Didn't
thing
take highs here, but we took them here. That's the rejection.
Oh, doo-doo, boy.
I'm gonna trail one at 58. The other one is still break even all the way at 85.
Yeah, that short's going crazy.
All the way at 85, we're still break even on one. Another partial here. This hesitation's a problem. You want to see a break on both of them.
That short's going crazy.
If this goes, it goes for another 100, and I'm just gonna leave it.
Yeah, that short's going crazy.
I don't like the hesitation down here. I'm leaving it at 58. The other one I'm going to trail down to 68. Let's see if we catch the break or not. Runner left. We up 2,700 X5. Wow. Fucking job, Yucky.
Nice
Good
job.
fucking job.
There's the short. I think the short's still
There's
good.
a
Wow,
crazy
look at that.
turn, but
Look
we
at that.
need ES
Wow.
to break.
Look at the short, baby.
now.
Look at the short. Look at the short.
This has room for another 100. It's just ES has got to follow suit here. ES is lagging.
This got room for real. This got room for
ES is
real.
super lagging here. If ES breaks down, we're going to see this full 100-point move all the way down.
This is a full structure break here of everything. This is a full structure break, baby. Let's go. That short's big, twin. That short
All
is
right,
big.
this is a level for ES. We need to see a break here. You want to break under the 0.
And
clean
SPX is
level
probably going
move
to
with
test
no
this
pullback.
opening print. SPX is right here. I can't imagine it doesn't test the opening print. More bearish than you could imagine. So bearish.
I'm now adjusted trails to 50, and I still got one at 68.
No break and
These are the new
retest.
trails.
No nothing. Just
This is the new trails. Need to see if ES breaks this. I'm telling you, it's a free fall all the way down for 100 points. It's just got to break it on ES. 4K on the funders, and the rest of our evals locked in for the day. Good shift, Fifisita. There you go. You know, we got Powell talking
I'm on
at
my longest
10:30.
streak so far, which is 4 weeks in profit, no losses.
Powell talks.
My problem is I
Jerome?
take profits too early due to afraid of
what did
losing
I just hear
profits, and
from
I also
YouTube?
still struggle with
Jerome?
accepting
Open
losses.
up the
Any
YouTube.
advice?
I hear something crazy.
I'm on my longest streak so far, which is 4 weeks in profit, no losses. My problem is I take profits too early to being afraid of losing, and I still struggle with accepting losses. Any advice?
Huge.
Size down, Quinn. Size down. That means you're trading too much emotion. So risk management, size management, and emotional management, it's all the same thing. If you're having problems with your emotions and taking profits too early, it means your size too
There's the
heavy.
break on
It
ES.
means your size too heavy.
I like that out of you, Max.
You need
That's
to
exactly what I was
lower that
thinking.
size down. Adjust the risk dial. Adjust that risk dial, twin. I want to see this pop all the way down to fucking 400, and then I'll be looking for a
areas
bounce
at
off of
360,
400.
360 and 330. There should be free range.
I want to see 400 psychological number get tested. Here we go. Psychological number get tested. But that's crazy. My first short entry was at 524. My first short entry was at 524. There's another bell. That means SPX has broke the opening print. That means SPX has broke the opening print.
I'm gonna trail 1 to 36, the other one down to 50. New trails, new picture coming in hot of the live trade. Just like that. These are the new trails that I have running.
Nice job, chat. Damn, I think everyone's going crazy right now. I think everyone went berserk on the short skis.
Hesitation here. We need to hold under this. If it breaks up, I'm gonna let it take me out. Not gonna give back more than that.
No, you don't want to give back too much.
Don't want to give back too much.
It looks so bearish to me still, these wicks. I mean, we need a pop.
I just don't like all of this untested shit. It could give a big ass fuck you candle. We need a breakout for it to continue. There's the ES clean rejection under. It's free range. Should be free range. Should just see like a free dumper right now.
Oh, look at it go.
That's a clean tap, reject, break, retest, reject.
There goes
break,
the opening. Wow, big
to
dump on SPX. Big dump on SPX. And NQ's showing a little strength here because that SPX dump was fat. That
what you mean? NQ was a 30-point candle.
Yeah.
That was a 30-point dumper. It's a good candle on NQ.
Wow, fucking Christ! The short looks good. The short
30-second candle is 20 points. I really want to just see it continue. Yep, there's a continuation. Next level is all the way at 365. Damn, she fine.
Is the show bugged on YouTube, or do we only have 7 people watching?
No, we have 7 viewers.
How do we only have 7 viewers on YouTube?
We have 7 viewers.
Is YouTube messed up? If you're on YouTube, can you put a 1 in the chat? If you're on YouTube, YouTubers, hello? There's only 7 of you guys? Oh, hell no. There's my people. What up, thugs? Shit. I knew we weren't that gay. I mean, I knew
I'm
we was gay, but
trailing.
not that gay. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit.
New trails are coming in right now. We're currently 100 points in profit. New
I knew
trails
we
are
was
coming in hot.
sexual, but I didn't think we was as sexual as this.
100 points in profit. Let's see what happens here.
I knew we were sexual, but I didn't realize we
Take
were
me down to
this
365.
sexual. I want this thing to, oh, we're breaking that 400. Here, look, here we go, baby.
365 is going to be my next part. Yep,
Keep
coach.
holding
There
the
you go.
short.
365 is the next partial.
Keep holding the short. Eat.
Told you I was a
Eat,
300
chat,
points.
eat, chat, eat.
300 points. If we break 365, I'm targeting 330, but 365 is going to be a full partial for me. I do not want to see any hesitation. We do have this little gap right here, which I'm partialed inside of, which I don't like.
You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait.
I don't like that I'm partialed in literally inside. I'm gonna have to raise it up to 410.
Shit. Where my
There's a
YouTube
30
is at? Where my
pullback.
YouTube is at? Where my tuba.
Fuck it. We're just trailing here, bro. Trailing literally 85 points in profit.
I'm trailing away.
There's a tap. If this Wixen flips, we get that full move down. I adjusted trails to 410. Could even put it at 411. 411. See what happens.
I got to be free. Little BNR up to 400 here. I've played this same trade like 9 times. And if we can hit over that 400, I'm going to take the long. If we can hit over 400, Lama, I'm going to take the long. It's because I played this trade fucking 6 times recently. And we hit a good break and retest on every single one of them. So let's see.
No, this is a clean tap of the jizzle. Let's see if it does break it or
we
not.
can pop above here. That wick looks good. It looks promising thus far. Let's see if this is the area in which we get some action, baby. Let's see. Let's see if we get that. Look at that. Look at that. I want to see a break over 400 now. That would be my long entry. That would be the long entry for Big Daddy Mac.
You gotta wait for confirmation.
Hey, you gotta wait for confirmation. Big Daddy Mac, you want to see a 400 a brick of the dog. You see the 400 brick of the dog?
Yes, is a lot more aggressive.
Thanks for the advice. You're right.
Yep.
I've been
Still
trading one
holding
mini
clean on
across
that.
5 Tradovate
Any
accounts,
direction in
switching to micros and focusing on your guidance. Appreciate you both and the whole team for everything you do.
You gotta wait for confirmation.
Thanks for the advice. You're right. I've been trading one mini across 5 Tradovate accounts, switching to micros and focusing on your guidance. Appreciate you both and the whole team for everything you do. $10 dono from Renzi, brother. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for the dono. That goes directly to the staff. And remember,
Yep.
we fuck with you, twin. I want to take the
I'm
long.
gonna put my trail at 405. I'm still in the short. I'm trailing at 405 because I do see it starting to kind of curl here. And I have another one that's gonna sit at 450.
Hold on, Lama. We break 400. It's testing. Here we go. Let's break these wicks. There it goes. I'm gonna try and go for a scalp on the candle. Go for a quick scalp.
There, one last one running.
If it can break above here, I would want to ride this all the way up to 24. I would want to ride that to 24 if it breaks long. If it doesn't break those wicks actually look bearish. Lama's right, actually. This might curl. Let's see what this candle does.
Only take it long if we break through the FTG.
It's got to break
right now
those
we're
wicks.
just holding it. But I am hesitant on the short now. I'm trailing a lot closer because I want to flip into it long if I have to.
I want to see 24. Come on, give me that first structure test. Pop up to 24. 24.
How can I join the pre-market?
Pre-market, you got to sign up for the pre-market, twin. You got to sign up for the pre-market with Lama. That's what Coach's pre-market. It is the best in the game. Don't fuck around. If you want the key levels, like Lama keeps saying these key levels. If you want those levels, you got to tap in with Coach's pre-market, baby. You got to tap in with Coach's pre-market. Too easy.
It's too easy. We're doing a lot of hesitation here, bro. I'm putting my final trail is gonna go down back to 405. If it breaks that, I'm gonna be interested in longs.
I'm looking for a pop back up, a little pop back up.
In the short.
SPX is near 400 and Q's near 400. These psychological magnets. I can't imagine a world we don't come up and test these little psychological magnets.
My
So
final trail is here.
I just want to see it pop back up over these 400s. If it just fully rejects these 400s, I mean, yeah, we're just going to dump. We're just going to be dumping.
I really just want to see us keep chopping and then just a big ass fuck you candle. And if that candle has a wick, then I'll jump into the long. But for now, I want to see like kind of this down move. And then
here's the break. Let's see what happens here. Here's the break.
Back up over 110 points, 120 points. There's a 6.5. At the 6.5, I'm going to trail all the way at 81. I need to wait for a tap of it, though. I don't want to trail it while it's live. While the candle's alive. Bang, there's your 6.5. I'm trailing all the way. I'm trailing all the way at 75. There's your 6.5 tab. The levels don't lie.
Orb heavy right here.
Full close outside of it. Now, if we break back over, I'm bullish as fuck. If we break back into orb, I'm bullish as fuck. We got fully closed out of this trade. I was low key crazy display of work right there. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Big break. That was a big body.
Crazy display of work. I'm gonna put out the full trade for y'all.
Let's see. The BNR really is not gonna get back up to 400. That's interesting.
No, it has room now. This is at 4. This has 365 tap. If it breaks back into orb, we're good here. You just kind of got to see how it plays out. There's the full trade for you guys. Jumped in all the way up here. Partial. Let it ride the whole way. There's your break back in. It's looking solid. It's got to break above 400 though. It's like what Max is saying.
Both of those numbers. That's the only number for today. 400. 400 is the number of the day, baby. 400 is the number of the day. Look at the rejection off of orb is big. Wow. See you later, alligator. Not trying to get no fucking juice.
Up 140 points. There you go, coach. Good fucking work.
Shit, coach.
Damn. Yeah, if we break under this 365, now I'm taking 335. Well, I already got closed out of the trade, but I could see it go 335. So you gotta be patient around here.
Looking like if it doesn't break that wick back up, bro, this is gonna be a treasy down to hell. This is about to be a treasy down to fucking hell.
It's a nasty wick and flip off orb. It might really make that move all the way down.
It looks like it's going.
You're gonna wait for confirmation.
Hey, no test of the 400. I guess it did, but NQ didn't even come close. SPX didn't even come close. Here's a break of orb. Here's a break
back in on NQ. I want to see you guys kind of follow here.
Max and Lama, thank you for all the sauce. You guys are the truth.
I think now might be the time.
You guys are the only non-scammers in the game.
It breaks above that.
You guys chance people's lives. May God bless you, and thank you for everyone in the staff.
If this can break up, let's see what this next candle does. I do want to test one. I do want to go for a test of one, but I'm not going to sit here and fuck around. Can't fuck around.
Thank you for all the sauce, you guys.
Wow.
Thanks for all the sauce. You guys are the truth. You guys are the only non-scammers in the game. You guys change people's lives.
No, there's a bunch of non-scammers.
Thank you for everyone in the staff.
There's a bunch of non-scammers. We're not the only ones.
They're just not as sexual as us.
They're just not as sexual.
I'm fully closed out of my shorts. I am going to be looking for longs, but I want to see if we end up going down to 330 or not. This is a clean look at the level. Break. Retest. Break. Next level.
Sexual.
Not fucking around.
It's bullshitting heavy right now.
I mean, bro, you know what the problem is? We're getting a lot closer to Powell speaking. A lot closer.
Yeah, but that shouldn't prompt this kind of. Well, I guess it should actually. Yeah. No, I guess you're right. Yeah.
It's Powell. It's JP. You're talking about. You got to remember, bro. It's a white guy named Jerome.
Oof. I'm about to go short here. There's another golden MVG right here. It could be the start of another trend down to a gap fill.
Getting close to that 37 was real TP I wanted to hit.
Yeah, I'm about to re-enter that short.
I'm gonna wait. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush. How many minutes till he speaks? 40 minutes.
40.
Yeah, he speaks at 10:30.
If this was to retest the midline and reject, would it be a full port short back to ORB bottom?
If it were to test I'm sorry, if this was a free test midline and reject, would be a full port short back to OR bottom. If it rejects midline, that would be my next big target. Would be short, yeah. But I'm probably gonna if it doesn't break back into orb, I'm probably gonna stay short right here. Unless
see a break in.
SPX gets back over 87, I don't see any reason to be long. We've just been dropping all day. Let me get a profit roll call in the chat, Court. Let me see the Discord. Where we at, baby? Where we at? I know you guys just went crazy on the short.
You gotta wait. You gotta wait back that man. And Q looks like it's gonna break back in here. Are we getting a profit roll call? What's going on here?
One and done. Damn, some sick profits.
Oh.
Here we go. Oh shit, we're running the music. Good job, chat. Oh, YouTube's eating today on the short too. YouTube's eating their way on the short too. Whoa, chat. Monday morning behavior. Monday morning behavior. Okay, chat.
Pressure on my neck.
I will hold this before cash flow.
Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the doubt off, watch it drop. Bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm
Let's see. And Q looks like it's gonna break back in here.
blade that never drop.
Yes, it's gotta play catch up.
Grind lines.
Off the break in, I'll take it, but with no break in, I can't take nothing. But I still see that 37 area.
Back straight, locked in, the world tries to fold me. I just dig in, weight on my shoulders. Turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking. Only sharpens up
We'd have to clear this orb.
Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop. Put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step, I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base.
Oh, look at that drop, baby.
Rejection.
There it goes.
Short at the top.
Final TP loading. Yep. Seeing if we go to that 37, that would be ideal. If we break 37,
There's a
and
sell
each
side.
rejection, that's what I'm
That's
jumping.
the sell side off the orb and the rejection. I'll tell you right now, if NQ breaks below 45, 47, I'm holding the short for 50 fucking more points, Lama.
Oh,
I'm the storm you can't outrun.
to me is a Statue of Liberty.
Bank on chop. Bank on chop.
That's a statue.
Watch this break a 40. Oh, we're up big. We're up big on the short right now. We're up big on the short right now, chat. I did a re-entry and we are up big, almost 30 points.
Trading for 10 months.
on the
First
short
month of
right
payouts.
here
Thank you
and
guys for
rolling.
everything. Base hits win games unban my Discord.
Oh wow, here we
Smiling
go.
face with
Here
tear
we go.
emoji.
37. Final TP. Full close.
Oh
There's the
wow,
37.
let's go. Okay, I'm a fucking bag right now. Keep going. I want to hold this all the way to 300. Let's go. Trading for 10 months, first month of payouts. Congratulations. Base hits win games, unban my Discord. Fuck no, twin. You're not getting unbanned, twin. There's no way.
Fuck no, twin. If you're banned, you're banned.
No, you're banned, buddy. Sorry. I'm trailing this tight. I'm trailing this real tight. I don't want to get stopped and risk any of my fat daddy profit, but I do want to see like a little bit more of a dump down, potentially 15, 20 more points, maybe 15, 20 more points, and I'm done for the day. Trading very conservatively right now. Very, very conservatively right now. Nice job.
If we break over 350, I'll test something, but if not, I need to wait.
Nice
Can we
break
get
down there.
sexual up in here? My speaker's on full volume and my
There
wife
it goes.
is on
Here it
her
goes.
morning
Come on.
meeting.
Come on. Hit that final PT. Keep going. I want to see a gap close. I want to see a total gap close. I'm currently up 60 points.
Max, we have a
I'm sorry,
request.
50 something points.
We have a
50
request.
something points. What? What? Hold on. I'm making a bag right now.
Kevin said, "Can we get sexual up in here? My speaker's on full volume and my wife is on her morning meeting."
Yeah, let me start you off. Hold on. Let me start you off. There's something I know what she needs. One of these.
Kevin, damn it. Kevin,
I call that the wife just got fired, dumbass. Your wife just got fired, bitch.
you better hope you become a profitable trader because you're gonna have
Yeah,
to pay
you
all the
better get
bills
paid
now,
out.
stupid ass.
You better get a payout because your wife just got fired, dumbass. Shoot. Come on, baby. Here we go. Final PT. Final PT. Final PT. Holy shit. Holy shit. 230 fucking points? Holy fuck. Bro, the re-entry is 70 points in profit. Holy fuck. Have you ever seen anything as sexual as us? Chat, have you ever seen anything as sexual as us?
200 points. Yikes. 200 points pre-market. Talk to him, coach. I don't know.
Hold on from the
I don't know,
bottom to
twin.
the
I
top.
don't know.
Hold on and then stop. Whoa, we breaking 400?
Bang. All right. Let's see. Is this the bottom?
Get ready. No,
Question mark?
it's not. It's not because there's a gap to close right here on SPX.
You think so?
And like 3 more points.
You think so?
Let's see if 300 holds. 300 is going to be the new magnet. Very sexual magnet. Very sexual. There it goes. It should drop a little bit more and then a violent pop back up to 300. It
I
should
want to be in that violent pop back up.
It should be a little bit more down. Should see a violent pop back up to something sexual.
I want to be in that violent move.
Oh, my boy said he's up 800 with 1 micro trailing on the tube. Congratulations, Twinifer. Congratulations. You're going berserky. You're going absolutely berserky. Now, right here, we're going to want to see
berserky.
No, we're going to want to see a violent push up right about here is where we're going to want to see something violent.
Across the PAs with micros.
Something super violent and sexual. As we break above 300, there it goes. There it goes. There's something. Come on. We need to see a little pop.
Wait, so that was the bottom?
I want to see a pop. Something sexual. Something real sexual. Right there we go. I want to see this. I want to see it keep going. I want to see NQ get up to 19 at a minimum. If it can get up to 19, if it fails 300, I don't even know what the next fucking price target is, to be honest with you. So if it fails 300, here goes the violent candle. Here goes the violent candle. Here comes Lama. Oh, he's so aggressive. Get up there, daddy. Get up there, daddy. Show him how aggressive you can be. Get up there, daddy. No, I'll do my homework. I'll do my homework, daddy. Don't hit me. Show him how aggressive you can be.
I like it.
Let me ask you a serious question, Lama.
Talk to me. I'm serious.
Hold on. Violent and sexual. Here it goes. Very violent, very sexual. Here it goes. I'm up a bag.
Oh, fuck, I scaled in instead of scaling out. Fuck. I full closed it. I'm a bitch.
I took a little bit out 19. I'm still in
it. I tried to scale out and I scaled in and killed my entry.
It. There it goes. There goes the violent green. It's so sexual. Have you ever seen anything?
I can't believe I did that. Can't believe I just did that. I just gave up like $200 of profit.
It's gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going a little bit. It's gonna keep going a little bit. Lama, let me ask you a serious question.
I'm here.
How do I say this politely?
Talk to me.
And I gotta put this. I gotta frame this in a way sense.
Talk to me. I'm here.
Does Kim's breast milk taste like
Got my
dulce
first
de
payout
leche?
ever today.
I
Been
haven't
trading
tasted
with
it.
peer-to-peer since January.
Does Spanish women's
Thank you,
breast
Coach and
milk
Lama
taste
and the
like
whole
dulce de
peer-to-peer
leche?
slash Mo team. Red
Did you
heart
say
emoji.
dulce de leche? Dolce
Does it taste
Gabbana?
like does it taste like horchata?
Hold on.
Whoa, there's the break back up, baby.
Hold on. I need a
There's
partial.
that break back up.
Hold on. Talk to you later. Talk to you later, twin. Hold on, twin. Hold on.
Does a black woman's breast milk taste like chocolate milk?
That's a good question. No, that's actually a good one. That's actually a good question. If we 3C here, this is gonna go fucking berserk.
So your
Have
breast,
four
your
micros
wife's
running.
breast milk probably tastes like dulce de leche.
No, it's called dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche.
Yeah, dulce de leche. All right, we're
Wow.
fully out of the trade. Wow.
Dulce de
Wow.
leche.
Ever heard of
Long,
wow?
Llama? Hold on, Llama. I hit the long. If this wick holds, the long is good, Llama.
No, I let it take me out there. I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm off
SPX
this.
is
I'm off these
ripping. I want to
accounts.
see SPX get all the way back up to 85 after that final PT right
It's
there.
called dulce de leche. If you
Dulce
don't know
de
about that dulce de leche, oh my
Oh,
god,
here
a
we
full
go.
week of flavor. I got you. Just got shot sixth. Oh my god.
Here we go.
Oh, but I like this area on ES, which is why I was comfortable with the partial.
Llama to the top.
I was comfortable with the full close off this.
Dolce Lucci to the stop. Stop, drop. Dolce Luch on the top. Rank on. I want to see SPX pop up to 84 and a couple quarters. I want to see SPX pop up to 84 and a couple quarters. We should be going green soon. But this rounding is very concerning because it looks just like the rounding that Llama called earlier. Oh, wait, never mind. Never mind, we're popping. Never mind, we're getting some green.
See if this goes to 350. If it breaks this, we go to 350. It's a free 20 points. If it breaks, though, ES is sitting at a fib level.
Oh God!
You've seen how these been reacting all day. Look at the pop off of it, the break. This is the retest, the break.
Yeah, I want to see SPX pop up
to.
to. I have an alarm at 84 and a couple quarters, and if it violates that level, then
how often do you eat dulce de leche?
I like dulce de leche. Tres leches is one of my favorite. Here we go, guys. Come on, break that fucking 84 in a couple quarters, and we're going to pound. Break that 84 in a couple quarters, and we're going to pound. Oh, set my little alarm off, daddy. Oh, jeez.
The real question is, do you enjoy dulce de leche?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, fully broke. This could be that move right here.
I like tres leches better.
You like lychee?
Yeah, I love lychee. Pop right here. Come on, break that 84 in a couple quarters.
It's all up to ES. We're kind of having a divergence going on.
You see right there? You see it? Uh-oh, there it goes. There it goes. Break that shit, papi. Break that shit. That's it. Don't you wanna break that shit just like me? Whoa, there we go.
There's a new high.
Don't you wanna break that shit just like me? Don't you?
Take me up to 50, little girl.
Let's go, baby. Lady. Next stop, SPX. Let's go to fucking 80, 90, and then orb. 90 and then orb. Fuck it.
Ryekyon. A lot of hesitation over here. A lot of weakness over here. We need a break. I need to see a full print through. If not, this is looking very ugly.
It is. It's very
hesitating a lot. I don't really want to be in it.
Very wiki. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, chat. Wow.
I really don't want to be in it no more. Might take my $30 loss.
Oh no. SPX breaking right there. And Q breaking right there.
A full dulce de leche.
That's what we call a dulce de leche.
The hesitation was there, guys. We seen it hesitating. You seen it there. It's a full hesitation. It's a good exit. Thank God.
On the dresser.
Thank God. A full fucking hesitation.
My Blicky.
Drop. You know that's all I got.
I don't know if that was just a BNR kind of off 300 and like, do I want to play the long right now off of it? Do I want to scalp a long off of 300? If it pops back up above that candle, if it eats this candle, kind of, even a halfway retracement is a fucking 23 pointer up. I want to see if it pops right back up that
I
23
just hate to
pointer.
see it fill that wick up.
It could fill the wick, right? That's what I'm just seeing where it's at with 300. We bounced off 300 once. I have to assume we'll bounce off of 300 twice. Let's see how it reacts right here. Look, we're getting close. Bang, right here, right at that 300 mark. Right at that 300 mark. Let's see how it reacts here. Do we get a popper or not? Or
Pop
a dumpy right through?
Gotta pop it.
You gotta pop it. Look at that. Look. Hold on. Let's see how it reacts. If it pops back up, I expect to move all the way back up to like 20 points up. Here we go. Let's see what happens, Daddy. Whoa. Hold on. Look. Here we go. Easy. 16, 18. Give me the 20. Give me the 20. You could trail it. Look at this. I told you. Look at it. There's the 20. There's the 20-point pop up. There's the 20-point pop up. Just like that. Just like that.
Just take it the whole way. Take it the whole way.
Oh, she moving. Whoa, she got some gas. Hold on.
Do we take the whole high is the question. Oh my God, we're taking the whole high. Come on, bitch.
We do. It ate the whole fucking candle. Eat the whole previous candle. Let's go. Can't stop me. Have you ever seen anything as sexual as me?
Well, don't get weak here. Don't get weak here. We want to see a full break back over.
I called that bitch.
Want to see a full break back over and take us up to 50, bro. Come on.
So long.
We're looking good. We're looking so good. Hold on.
This looks bullish. Hold on. This looks bullish. Hold on. Let's see if this no retracement, Bobby. I want to see a
come on, feel that wick.
Little retracement. Little pulley back and shotgun. Go. Drop the shotgun. Here it comes. Go. Vi. 26 points.
Hesitating. Nah, this should go here, bro. Looks super good. Falling right back down.
10 ticks is how many?
Needed to get a full print over the fucking 35, and then we can go. I want to see 50 here.
Give up on it yet.
50.
Don't give up on it yet. Don't give up on me yet.
Come on. How's the fiver looking? Full wick out on the 5. We catch this flip on the 1 minute. Might give an explosion.
I don't trust anybody.
There's a flip on the 5 minute. I'm gonna have to partial off the flip. There's an explosion to new highs. I want to see 50. I'm gonna take a partial here. Partial.
Hold on, Lama, bank it to the top. Hold on, Lama.
Okay, continuations. I'm trailing 1 right under that candle. The next ones are gonna be at 24 and break even.
You wanna know it's time. Come on, baby, keep going.
Give me continuation, please. I want to see 50, por favor.
Yeah, if SPX can get back up to 85, that 84 and a couple quarters mark, that's the one that it rejected last time.
Here we hit the actual.
There we go, NQ. There we go, NQ. NQ being very sexual. NQ being very sexual. There we go, NQ. Bro, I'm looking for literally 13 more points. 13 more points. Huge partial out at like the 50 to 55 range. If we can get out there. My stop's at break even. There we go. Come on. 10 more points. 10 more points. Here it is.
45. Give me the 50. There's 50. There's 50.
Give me 10.
Right there.
There it is. Come on. Come on.
There's the
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm trailing at 47. That's a full fucking move. Jesus Christ.
Let's fucking go.
It's a full move. Hold on. Do we break this? This was the last pivot point. This is what we rejected off on ES. We now want to see it NQ not rejected and kind of just go.
Keep going.
If we break this, we go to orb ski.
Oh my God, bro. I'm up a fucking bag.
15 more points into
Why is
orb.
one of my accounts red? Wait, hold on. Why is one of my accounts red?
Oh no. One day to pass. There you go. Like that. Like that.
I'm out.
I'm out at 47. Full wick and flip took me out. I'm not going to lie.
Bro, that long was disgusting. That long was disgusting. 2 bounces. Bro, that's the most bread I made on the. Bro, I'm up 22 bands on these accounts.
22 Yandos?
Yeah.
22 Yandos?
Let's go, chat. Insane work.
Wife has my
seen-
headphones on. Go full sexual again. Her name is Catherine. Catherine, fuck. Catherine, fuck.
Well, hold on. Don't be doing customs for free. Don't be doing customs for free.
You're right. I gotta
Don't
put
be
some
doing
worth.
customs. Whoa,
I
don't
gotta
be doing
know my
customs
worth.
for free.
I gotta know my worth. Should I buy another account? Of course. Always load up accounts.
Your wife,
always.
if your wife wants Llama, she's got to pay. She's got to pay to
She's
say.
gotta pay to play.
She got to pay to say your name.
Offer it.
Oh
That was just
God,
a little teaser. That was just a little teaser. Look at this fucking break. Dumbass candle pulled me out.
bro's just
This is looking
dropping, bro. Bro's just
expeditiously.
dropping fucking.
This is looking expeditious
Breathe.
right now. I really want to. Oh, if it's gone, I can't jump into it again. But that's gone. That's a full goner. Goner. Nasty little. I should have anticipated the Reaction off the little
That
skibbity.
DNR off of 300 twin was gross.
Sexual. That shit was sexual.
That shit was sexual. Chat,
Oh,
have
yeah,
you ever
this does
seen anything
room.
as sexual as that second
Orb
DNR?
tap inbound. Orb tap. 9 points away. 10 points away
my
from orb
God,
tap.
go. Vi. Oh, look at it go.
Orb tap. 8 points away.
Chat.
Orb tap. 8 points away. Look how that was. The TDO was actually the bottom, brother. And I questioned it. I mean, there's your orb tab. Partial. There's your orb tab. Now, if we break in, it gets wicked here. But this is definitely a heavy partial.
This is crazy.
Definitely a heavy partial. That TDO is actually fucking low of day. Wow.
That's crazy, bro.
Wow.
Hold on from the bottom. Stop. Hold on. Stop.
One TDO, yes. Yep. This is what you call a fucking premium setup. And it's crazy because the levels were here an hour ago sitting on the chart.
Lama, watch this.
Here's the levels.
Watch this. Code word on YouTube is BDMS. Big Daddy Morning Show. 50K Lucid account dropping right now.
Like that?
BDMS on YouTube only. BDMS on YouTube
Just like
only.
that?
On YouTube right now. Dropping 50K. Watch that.
My boy said, what's TDO? Brother, your features one student and you have the P2P indicator. What do you mean, what's TDO? You got to watch the videos, twin. It's right there. It's on the chart for a reason. Here's your break into orb. This can get sexual. Next area is going to be 400 if this does a full break inside.
Bro, it's been sexual.
You know I'm going to get up in that account, though. BDMS. Bank enter.
Well, keep going that BDMS. That stands for the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Too sexual.
Show in the world for entertainment purposes only.
BDMS, we're on Discord. Do I sign up for pre-market?
Only. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody.
BDMS, where on Discord do I sign up for the pre-market? Pre-market is only available to P2P students, brother.
You got to be a pay-to-player, guys. Sign up for pay-to-play university.
First day in a minute where I just sized down and held full trade, no partials to TP, 100 points holding my nuts. Come on now, we've been talking about it. Video just dropped on it last week. You've been struggling to hold trades. Don't even partial. Just leave a full TP and a break even. That's all you have to do. Just a full TP and a full break even. Trust your levels. The levels, look at the top tick on the day. Look, before we even had the fib on, this is what was on at 9 a.m. Top of the day, fib level, bottom of day, TDO. Both of these come on the indicator. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. And I'll tell you one thing, I'm not going to lie to you. I jumped in the short that top of, and I'm going to partial here and leave break even. And I'm going to leave a full break even, guys. We're fucking going berserk. Think of him. And I'm taking a full fucking.
What time frame you guys trade on
break-evens are
NQ?
running. Oh, we're just bleeding through now.
Yeah.
Come on, bitch.
What
I'm
time do
trading
I
on top
trade?
of
The
that
1 minute?
candle.
I trade the 1 minute, 2 minute, the 5, and the 15, my boy.
I
I'm
got
just
the
looking
30
for
second, 1 minute,
trends.
5 minute, 15.
Martha.
And I got I have 2 micros left, full break even here at 6.5. If it pulls me out, it pulls me out.
Keep all the doors closed.
Oh, long from the bottom to the top.
Turn the air down. To
Jump,
keep it.
jump, jump, jump.
Thank you, Martha.
1 micro left. We
And let me
just got
pick a winner,
partial out
man.
another one there on that out
Get
move.
ready. I'm going to pick a winner in about 3 seconds.
Does Futures One also get you the pre-market? They have the option to subscribe to the pre-market. Pre-market is a full-on subscription. Full-on subscription only offered to students.
Yo, get ready. I'm going to pick a winner, chat. Get ready, chat. I'm going to pick a medium. Free account coming out in 3. Free account coming out in 2. Free account coming out in 1. And the winner is P. Hold on. P. Go. PP. PP Striker. Congratulations, PP Striker. Moderators, go ahead and get my boy P Striker set up with a free Lucid 50K account, baby. Free 50K Lucid account.
TP Striker, what a name. It's actually a goated name, and this shit actually edged the dog shit out of me. Look at this trade. Edged the actual dog shit out of me and kept us alive. Look at that. Wow. Took one of them out, but not the other one. Crazy. Did y'all say the date? Yeah, we'll be starting next week. We didn't get to do anything through the back end to get it started, but the full pre-market with Coach will be starting next Monday. So everything will get done through the back end where you guys can do the sign up.
Lama, don't take this the wrong way. But I'm going to go watch the pre-market and support my boy Coach.
I like that idea.
I've never been to your pre-market.
I respect that.
Imam
I fuck
Kwame,
with
am
the
I
way
eligible?
Coach
Do I have to
presents it for
switch?
some reason, right? You know I fuck with you heavy, twin.
No, I respect that, bro. I'm not even upset. I respect that. Honestly,
Right.
after what your people did to his people, it's only right if you go support him.
What you mean by that?
You were promised access to the pre-market 3,000 years ago.
I was promised access to the pre-market 3,000 years ago is fucking crazy.
Well, that was promised to you, bro.
It was 6,000 years ago, dumbass.
How the fuck am I supposed to know? I wasn't alive.
Did you know my family celebrated Passover yesterday?
What does that mean? Would you pass over the leftovers? Did you? Oh my god, yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold on, we're still alive. We're still alive. Look how it edged me. Look at this right here. Look at the new screenshot. Look, we don't even adjust anything. Look at the new screenshot. We got edged and we're still alive. Or projection, very easy. Don't break into it. Sell off of it. Go. Passover is Moses, the jeweler.
Yeah.
Moses the jeweler.
Shit, I know Moses too.
What you know about Moses? Tell me what you know about Moses. I'm treading on top of that
No,
candle now. I feel we can freaking take me out though.
Passover. I think Passover is
Passover.
when
Would you pass over the everything bagels?
I think it's like
Or the
when God
latkes?
passed over the Jews to warn them about baking bread correctly or something like that. I think it had something to do with bread.
He's gonna waste his time and warn them about how to bake bread, but he didn't warn them about
Right,
young
the
Adolf.
bread was flat at the time, and he was like, "Yo, twin, this shit's ass, dog." And like he passed over the Jewish people to warn them, like, we're gonna take your first child if y'all hoes don't learn how to bake bread properly. Oh God, this shit sucks and makes us
There's
all
no
come.
way that was his actual concerns. How to bake bread, but he couldn't warn them about 1935. Wow. That's crazy work.
I mean, it's concerning to me. Oh, I mean, don't you want to have bread that doesn't make you wildly constipated?
Checks out. Definitely understand that.
Right, like
Definitely understand
that bread is tough, dog.
I got me a little strawberry up in there, motherfucker.
Should be hurting my booty hole, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you, twin. My stomach's banged up right now, twin. My
I'm
stomach's
not
so
gonna lie.
banged up
If I
right
hit the
now.
vape right now, I'll shit my pants. I couldn't shit myself.
I ain't gonna lie to you, twin. My stomach's been banged up since last night. I had so much matzah.
I couldn't shit earlier. If I
Okay,
hit
I
the
went
vape right
DJ
now, I'll
mode.
shit
I'm gonna
myself.
be honest with you guys. I'm not telling you what I've been doing, but I just traded to get my account out of the green or out of the red. The short looked good. I took it. I took the rejection. Lama said I took it. Lama said it. I took it. I overtraded. I broke my rules, but now all my accounts are green as fuck. I feel better. I shouldn't have done that. That was stupid as fuck. I could have just ruined everything. It was stupid as fuck for me to do that. I just violated my own rules. I just violated my own shit.
You're green, bro. Who cares? Fuck it, bro.
Oh, what if I
YOLO.
made $15,000, Llama? And so what if I had a red day? And look at my fucking funded future family stats real quick. Hold on. Let me just holla at FFF real quick for y'all. Have you guys ever seen anything as sexual as this?
I'll
Be
tell you
honest.
one thing, Maximus. A lot of your students are demanding push-ups.
Oh, they ain't wrong. Fuck. They ain't wrong, but I'm also very sexual, so you can't fucking. But look at all that green. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, put some respect on my
They're
name.
demanding push-ups.
Are they?
Yeah. It's your students. They said he'll shit himself again.
Well, they ain't wrong. They ain't wrong, twin. They ain't wrong. Airborne, paratrooper. You know the deal. Ooh. Ooh,
Is that Izzy?
ooh, ooh,
Bro, is that not Izzy?
ooh, ooh, ooh,
Bro, does this not look like Izzy? Am I tripping?
Rory! Yo, Izzy got arrested?
Bro, is that not her?
My students called me out for violating my fucking rules. You do push-ups, twin, like a paratrooper. Find something that elevates your feet, and you do push-ups.
Guys, yesterday I watched the Well Charts webinar where Max dropped so much free chicken, and now look at the gap fill on the red line. Max fair value gap. Made that fair gap. Can't make this up. Thanks for the knowledge. There you go. Top tick on the day.
You just bought the indicator. The max value gap is the best indicator in the entire suite that's based off an institutional level double imbalance that I created. Verified by Wall Street data scientists. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just hurt myself.
Are you
You're not gonna
hyperventilating?
know. What part of my body do you think I hurt?
If I had to guess, we're on YouTube. Who said Llama the Hut? Get a ban going on this guy. Get a ban going on that guy that said Llama the Hut. Mods.
No, you know what I hurt really bad? When I went down in the push-up position, my left quad. For those of you that don't know, I tore my quadricep in the military.
Quadricep.
I don't have a quadricep on my left side anymore, which sucks. My teardrop muscle, you know when people have the teardrop quad? My teardrop shot up into my leg. So a normal person's teardrop muscle is like down here. My shit's here. That shit's right here.
You're all banged up, twin.
I'm
Fucked up quad. You only have
Bro,
one
that's
ball.
That's a military injury. That's a military injury. And you guys want to know how it was crazy? You want to know how it happened? It happened during war. A war with me and my body weight. My foot got stuck on the graded step down on an MRAP, which is a vehicle. and I fell off the MRAP, but my foot got caught on the graded step down. So it fell full force and it just fucking popped my quad like a balloon. So
I'm not gonna lie. For someone that's as disabled as you, that got into zero action while being stationed is crazy work.
okay. What you're referring to being deployed to an active war zone, yes, I didn't get to do. But 26 jumps, missions around the world and stuff, that's action. That's live training. It's
Bro,
not
people do that
cool
for
as being
fun.
downrange. It's not, I'm not trying to claim downrange, but I'm one of 50 paratroopers that jumped into fucking Israel, hiked 20 miles in the desert, and fucking raided a city. All right. So it's
Did you
not,
kiss
it's
the
not,
wall?
it's not a fucking active war zone, but we did gangster shit still. The 173rd, we did gangster shit.
Did you kiss the wall?
Hold on, twin, I'm sweating.
Can you go put on your fucking hat, your beret?
My
Is
beret.
that what it's called?
No, it's in a case.
Oh yeah, you do have it on the wall. I forgot.
My actual beret is in a case.
My boy walks by it every day. Remember them good old days, Max?
I should get one of those hats. Fucking
And tuck your man bun in it.
Army veteran.
Stop doing that face, bro. I hate when you do that face. I don't know who you think you are, bro. What do you mean by that?
What face, twin? Is Jerome Powell actually talking in 3 minutes?
Yes, bro. Watch the fireworks. Watch the fireworks. Watch the fireworks. Now, boy, JPZ. Imagine being white named Jerome. Like,
Bro,
just
that's
imagine
crazy.
that.
That's why he's so badass, bro. He grew up a white named Jerome.
Yeah, it's on you.
Bro, look at my little brookie yesterday.
My boy said, "You look like you've lost weight. Good for you. At least one of you is doing it."
Who is he talking about?
I don't know. Maybe he's talking about me and Logan or something. And at least one.
Nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Is that when I farted? That's a really good photo of me.
Oh my god. Bro, I still don't understand how it is that you can create this
Create what?
This little girl, bro.
Oh,
It
Brookie?
doesn't make sense.
She's the cutest fucking kid, dude. She's wild.
That shit does not make sense
She's
to
the
me.
cutest fucking kid.
Like, it actually doesn't make any sense how you created that.
Right. She's starting to look a lot like me now, too.
Right, and it's pissing me off because she's actually like very cute, and you're just an ogre, like a big ogre, like just a round, big, stinky, smelly, just oily, musty, just like old. You get what I'm trying to say?
Right.
Like, no offense, but you know what I'm trying to say? Like,
Yo,
you're just
God,
like,
we got the anatomy scan done of my boy. You know, my wife's pregnant. And
right.
this one, I'm worried now that it's not mine.
Yeah.
I'm actually freaking out a little bit. I'm worried that it's not my kid.
Yeah, no, I would be too.
Because
After
we
what
did
you
the
showed me, I
anatomy
don't think it's yours
scan.
either.
Yeah, and this kid's packing a fucking tree trunk in between his legs.
Yeah.
And there's no way.
Oh, there's Powell. There's Powell. 30-point candle right off the first candle. All he said was good morning. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know if that's your son, because I'll tell you one thing. That boy's Johnson is the size of mine, and he's like fucking 2 months old.
Yeah, that fucking kid's packing a schweener.
Doesn't even make sense. Matter of fact, he's not even 2 months old yet. He's not even born.
Look at this.
Impressive.
I found 2 baby photos that I had. Look, Brookie looks just like me.
Nah, she's way cuter than that.
Look at that. She looks like me, doesn't she?
You look like you were on a leash.
She looks
Like,
like,
probably
no,
2
my
hours
parents
after
are
that.
white, but we're not that white. That's liberal whites. We're not that white.
Right. Okay, no, I respect that.
Look, that's Brookie, bro.
They said, damn, that speech was not that important. Brother,
That's Brookie.
hasn't even started yet. Let's go see if Powell's speaking yet. If it hasn't exploded, it's because he hasn't got on yet. And he's probably late, making everyone wait. YouTube.
You think he could have diarrhea? Bro.
What?
You're not going to believe this story okay. I'm not even going to tell you. I'm doing two things, Lama. Two things that I can't even tell you. Because I want to see your live reaction when you see it.
Yeah, bro, this guy's late. It's not even on right now. All right, what is it? Talk to me.
I can't tell you, actually. I'm going to wait for your live reaction. Just know this. When my studio is done, that shit's going to be different.
What the fuck? I'm watching the Jerome Powell and someone deadass just donated him $100. They're not even on. I'm about to stream Jerome Powell for $100 donation. What the fuck is that about?
Someone sending bread to the guy streaming Jerome Powell?
Yes. Look.
What the fuck?
Ah, I see what it is. I see what it is.
What is it, Rama?
They're promoting their own shit. Genius. I'm about to fucking donate to this shit. Fuck.
Smart as fuck.
Smart as fuck, bro. They deadass tag their own shit and promote their own shit. I'm about to comment say y'all boys suck at trading. I'm gonna say they scammed me.
You boys are assholes.
No. Right when I said that, look at this. Look, hold on. Look how funny this is. Look at this. Somebody literally said, "Don't join this group. I'm in it. It's a scam." Right what I was about to say.
Post the screenshot.
Look at this shit. Don't join this group. It's a scam. Holy shit.
Damn.
That is funny as hell.
Trading groups out here fucking promoting their shit on news networks. Yeah, we down.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of smart. There's 6,000 people watching, and it's just a black screen. Oh, he's here. Watch. Candles about to erupt.
Here we go.
Jerome Powell just sat down. I wonder if he drops the hard R first.
Good afternoon or good morning?
Is he gonna drop the hard R? Yes or no?
Yes. Oh fuck, are we on Kalshi? Yeah.
Oh fuck, pow. He's sitting down. He's waving. Market's going down just because he waved.
The market's so fucking cooked if he waves.
What the? Why do I see people talking shit about me in the chat? Oh, I lied. He said Lama's still a G. Oh, thanks, sweetheart. So nice of you.
Oh, you know what's crazy? Big tech is fucking ripping right now. You hold on. I'm in leaps. Is my shit green?
So you guys are talking about Jerome Powell saying that he got a bachelor. Who the fuck cares? Is the market going up or down? You guys are giving us a description on this guy. We know who he is. We're here watching him.
Yo, let's go, Microsoft. Yo, let's go. I started Microsoft, Meta. I started leaps on all of tech. Costco, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon. I started leaps on all them bitches. Tesla, let's go. Jerome Powell making the market go green. I'm gonna have a very good day. Oh, Jerome Powell, I want to make a market go green. My offer was just accepted on my new home, 1.15 milli. Damn, twin, congratulations. Congratulations. Wait, his name's Davin Rabbi? Are you Jewish?
That boy said when you spoon for free accounts.
You seen that photo? I ran into Brett and his family at the zoo, and our wives are really good friends. We're friends, so we put our kids on there first, and then I was like, "You trying to take a photo with me on this thing or what?" And he was like, "Yeah, just don't post it." You know I posted it. You know I posted that shit. Yo, did you see the rookie from fucking Connecticut drain a 30-footer with 1 second left to take Duke out? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. That was one of the coldest shots I've ever seen in basketball. Period. A rookie pulls up with the cleanest fucking 30-footer, bro, and he holds it, Lama, like this. Lama, he holds it. Bang. That shit was.
Wait. Can you do that one more time?
Why you got shit running down my legs? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh no. Is that boy talking yet or what, bro? Like, god damn. He said, let me start by saying thank you for having me. GG, Marcus going down.
I'm the king of Jews? Am I? Maxis? Am I the king of Jews? Maxis.
I ain't watching this bullshit, bro. He's just talking at Harvard just to talk, bro. Are we market going down or up? When? You know I'm trying to trade this shit. God damn, bro. Oh, fucking Jerome Powell, fucking chairman, white guy named Jerome.
Lame, bro.
Who cares?
This price action is lame.
It's the biography on his life, bro. All they got to talk about is the hardships of him growing up with the name Jerome, white person. Like, that's all they should be talking about right now.
God. Oh, God.
Made me tight, bro. It's
Tap
hard to
into
invert this recession.
recession.
Brother, Nasdaq's at 23,000, brother. We are not in a recession.
We're
We
down
are
like
not in a
3%.
recession.
What the fuck?
We were in a recession like 2 years ago, and then they had to actually change the legal definition of recession.
Right.
Now we're currently still, we're not in. Is that coach with the
Jewish too?
Yo? Is that coach look like Ice-T?
No, he looks like the guy who had AIDS.
Yes, Easy E.
Yeah, that's easy, coach.
Easy Coach. Yo, what have y'all been doing to my poor homeboy? You know he doesn't appreciate this type of shit. Where the fuck did Max go?
I'm right here.
No signal, El Gato.
No,
The fuck did you just do?
You just
Oh, you're back.
Hey, cut it out. You're fucking me up. You just turned my camera off. My fucking phone is over here with the breaker. He's literally over here just slapping breakers.
Who? That boy Jan?
Jan. Fucking Jan's over here just slapping breakers.
I don't think he understood the joke when I kept calling him Jan. I don't think he understood it.
He knows.
He probably just thought I was a fucking idiot. What the fuck is this fat ass? What is this fat ass talking about?
Because of Geronimo.
Right. I don't think he understood the assignment.
Jan, did you know when Lama kept calling you Jan, he was making fun of Geronimo? He said yes, of course he knew that.
Right. So the guy just doesn't laugh.
No, he laughs.
No, I'm kidding.
He just doesn't think you're funny, retard.
Right. No, I get that. I definitely get that.
Is my show still on? He's trying to fucking demo my house. Who?
They want to shut down this one AC. I cut one AC down already.
So cut the AC.
But I need to cut the breaker off. I don't know which breaker it is.
So you're just gonna start flipping breakers?
Wait, guys. Max has his father-in-law at his house, probably blasting the speakers.
Yeah, say whatever you want to say. Go ahead, say it. Go ahead, say it.
I'm gonna shut one off. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead, shut it off. Am I here? I'm still here. Go ahead, scream it. Go ahead. Let me see your worst. Do your best, gay boy. Do your best. I'm still here.
I'm not even like that. I'm not even that type of person. I wouldn't do that to you.
Go ahead, do your worst.
I really wouldn't even do that to you.
Bunch of yapping fucking Hispanics outside. You gonna start chipping and hammering? I better not. He said, "Fuck you." He said, "Fuck you, fuck you." Better not. My fun little show ends in fucking 15 minutes.
Fuck's Lama.
There's Llama.
Oh shit, Jan!
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Hey, Jan, what are you doing?
I have 18 guys holding up one guy here. We have the work to be done.
Why are you telling Llama
You
I
said
done
it
this
takes
shit?
18 guys to pick up Max?
I'll go outside.
Why are you telling Llama? Go ahead, start hammering. Go ahead. I'm getting ready to get out of here. I got to get ready. There's 18 dudes sitting outside of my house right now because I wouldn't let them work until 10:45 because I said I'm putting on a good show today.
Putting on a good show today.
They've been sitting out there since like 9:30, just sitting out there. And John
Sitting out there drinking Modelo's at 9 a.m.
you know they're fucking banged up right now.
Off rip, they
I already got in trouble by the HOA twice. We have a porta potty right here in front of my house.
Yeah.
They're pissing in the
so-
neighbor's bushes.
What?
They're over here fucking drinking and taking lunch underneath the trees, and
Right.
and they're pissing in the neighbor's bushes. I was walking out of the house the other day. One of these little fuckers scared the shit out of me. He's passed out in the grass next to my car. I'm on the phone. I'm walking. I look down. I just see a fucking Mexican guy.
Passed out.
Oh!
Yo, you know what's crazy? The boys will have nap time for lunch anywhere. The other day I drove to my clubhouse to go put a
Anywhere.
permit in. There was not 18. It was like 6 or 7 Mexicans on the street, passed out, sleeping. I'm like, yo, your back don't hurt? Like, what's going on?
Right.
Lay some cardboard out or something. Them boys are passed out on the road.
What we doing right now, chat? All right. Well, here's the deal. I want to drop one more Lucid account before we go. So, Llama, can you pull up a random audience member for an interview? And we're gonna drop one more Lucid account.
Yeah, I got him coming up, Mr.
I want
Salty.
to
I should have
bless
checked if he had his shit.
something sexual before I go.
I sent an invite out, but I don't know if he got it. And then I lost him.
Is there any bad XY chromosomes that would like to come here, face the opposite direction of the camera, and shake the rumpus?
You take that shot every chance you get. Every chance.
I'm in on only 4 micros right now, but hey.
Who's it?
I don't know. You said bring up a random. I brought up some random.
Bro, he's not verified and he got no MOT tag. That's the
Yeah, I
worst
lost him.
random.
I lost him. I couldn't check the profile after. It just disappeared. All right, let's bring up another one. We stop right here.
Gingers are
Emperor
known for
profile.
fat asses.
We got one here. Emperor.
Hold on,
Bang.
actually, I disagree. I know a couple redheads that do got a little dumper.
Little waggy?
Little dumper, yeah. A little dumper back there. I know a couple redheads that be having some dumpies.
I like that idea.
I like a redhead with a dumpy.
What about ginger?
It's extremely and very sexual. Yeah, look at what's her face? What's that bitch's name? Who's throwing ass?
The white bitch? I don't know. The white.
Jada.
Right. Yeah. No, that shit kind of got some recoil on it.
Did you find someone
Real
else?
with you. Yeah, I invited up fucking Emperor.
Ooh.
Is cocksucker coming up? No, you said random. I just picked a random Emperor. Get your dumb ass on stage, boy.
Your dumbass on stage, boy.
What you thought this shit was, boy?
What you thought this shit was?
Farmer
boy?
X farming. It's my boy right there. Spraying corn. God damn, bro. You see Ice Spice? I would sniff her chair. See what it smells like.
What?
I would tell her to sit on a chair for 14 hours, and I would like to see what it smells like.
Invite your military brother with an A? Man, we've been talking to him.
Is that your boy that gives you the N-word pass?
I don't need a pass.
Right.
Fuck,
shit, Enrique.
I'm the one giving passes out, twin.
Right. I know that's right. I know that's right. I know that's 100% right. We got Enrique on stage. Talk to me. Where the fuck did he go?
What the fuck is that red mullet?
Who kicked off Enrique, bro? Did you kick him off?
Oh God.
All right, I'll tell you one thing. I gotta take a fucking shit. So if we don't hurry this shit up,
Oh, I found one.
I'm gonna be fucking upset.
Let's bring up this guy.
All right, hold on. Market exploder.
Newbie.
We got a 70-point candle.
Newbie Canooby.
70-point candle. Divergence going on.
He's got the MOT
Solid
tag.
work here.
He's been with us for about 3 months. And he's a
I
police
can't throw ass, but it's my birthday. Oh shit, it's Moonchild's birthday. CC Moon Knox.
It's Moon Knox's birthday?
She just turned 47.
She just turned 50.
Oh fuck.
Please.
You know what that means? Menopause.
No. Menopause. I'm a while from that.
CC Moon Knox, you are now 50 years old?
Yeah, totally 50. Mm-hmm.
And how you feeling at a solid 50?
Oh, fantastic.
You're good for 50.
I know, really good, right?
And your age is
Really
just
good,
a number.
right?
And how old are the tits?
3
They
years.
were done in 19.
Oh, so the tits are
Oh,
only
nice.
7.
Yeah, they're only 7.
So take
Nice.
50, subtract 7, and you are like 40, 43.
43.
Yeah,
I like
43.
that.
I think the math is you take 50, well, you take 7, multiply it by 2, 14, and then you do 50 minus 14, she's 36.
Yeah, I'm 38
is
actually today.
38.
Mhm.
38, damn, old as fuck.
I know.
It's all right. I'm getting
weird,
close to
actually.
38. Very close to 38. Newbie Juan
Yeah.
Kenobi just figured his shit out. Well, congratulations, CC Moon Knox. Happy birthday. Have the best day. You know
Wait,
what?
I have one request from y'all. I don't want to count, but I do want to see if maybe you guys could like put in your network or somebody in the community because I want to have a different job because my current job is making it where I can't really trade very frequently. So I'm really good at sales. I would prefer something in logistics, sales, something like that. Freight,
What
something.
city do you live in?
I picked it sales. I'm in Houston, but remote would be good. Any of that. So yeah.
Strong in sales, very personable. You're
Very
well
strong in
spoken.
sales.
Looking for a remote gig, and you could be in the Houston area. You could be a remote gig. Okay, that's all solid qualifications. Have you ever tried showing tits for money?
No, I don't want to do that.
Okay. Just throw it out there.
Always a suggestion.
I don't
Always
know
a
if that's a
suggestion.
substantial method and plus where I'm gonna go in life, and I'm not sure I want that to live on the internet. So
I like it. Okay, well then we'll put it out there for the chat and the world to let everyone know. CC is looking for a new gig. Anything remote, strong saleswoman, very well spoken with decent experience. I mean, how much experience in your field?
I mean,
Massive
I've been in
tits.
sales for like 15 years. But like right now I'm working on a jewelry store. I'm top 10% of my company and we're not even in the top 10% as far as volume. And I did that my first month back in December too. So yeah, I mean, I've closed like multiple $1,000 deals. You know, I've had days high as 50K in sales, so I'm kind of really good at it. But yeah.
Good shit. Yeah, CC. Ariana in the chat. She runs a software company. She said go ahead and send her a DM. I know software sales is a big one. And I know there's a couple of people who have companies who can absolutely look out. So we be on the lookout for the chat. It is her birthday, and she's looking for a new sales job.
Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.
We'll see you, CC. Have a wonderful birthday.
Thanks. Bye.
What's up, Mr. Kenobi?
What's up, fellas? How you guys doing?
Pretty good, brother. Where are you from?
Right outside of Atlantic City, New Jersey.
Atlantic City, Jersey. That's a shithole. What do you do up there?
Actually a police officer.
Let's fucking go. Have you ever considered railing a bitch out in the back seat of your patrol car?
No, because there's way too many videos of that shit already online.
I didn't say
The only reason why you wouldn't do it.
said, have you ever
No,
thought
no, not the only reason. Just I'm not into that stuff.
Have
Oh,
you
okay.
ever been sexually aroused by the thought of an inmate?
So we don't really deal with inmates too much. We kind of have a pretty good department. We have a big department where we take our prisoners and just drop them off to the jail, and we pretty much get out of there. So
Right. So you don't do dual. You're not corrections at all.
no, not at all, not at all. No transport, none of that nonsense. I usually just
Have you? All right. Let me rephrase so you don't get in trouble. Have you ever allegedly had a female detainee offer you sexual favors?
Oh yeah, definitely, 100%.
Nice, dude. Nice.
We
You look
actually
like-
had to
You
transfer.
look like you're in
Go
good
ahead.
shape. You're a good-looking guy. You look like, what are you, like 40, 42 years old?
46.
46? Yeah, I mean.
Yes,
I know if
sir.
Lama
Don't
got
laugh,
arrested-
motherfucker. It ain't funny.
Sorry, don't arrest me.
How long
She's
you been on?
laughing.
How long you been a patrol cop?
So I'm on the department 19 years now. I got 6 left. I've actually been in our training unit for the past 6 years. So all I do is all the rifle training, the handgun training. I write all the lesson plans. I take care of all that. Defensive tactics. We do all the evocs, which is the emergency vehicle operations.
Yeah,
So,
good shit. That's badass. So you're on the admin team now. You're working that. You're about
Yeah.
to get Friday weekends and holidays off. You lucky dog.
I really am. I actually have Mondays off too. So we have 3-day weekends. But I
Yeah.
actually have been out of work since December 11th. I had surgery on my shoulder, and you guys had me on your show not long ago. And I kind of look like a huge shitbag. I had a scruffy beard and everything else, but
Really, I
I'm
don't
glad
even
you guys
remember
called
you.
me back on. What's that?
I don't even remember you. Normally, I remember
Was it the morning show?
on the.
Yeah. You guys had me on. Same thing. You guys were giving away a bunch of Lucid accounts at the time. I think you had the dude from Lucid.
Oh,
on.
okay.
Shotgun round. Okay, on shotgun
Yes,
round.
sir.
round.
Yep.
You would be shocked. Me and Lama have interviewed hundreds and hundreds of people, and
Okay.
I remember almost every one of them. If you just
Almost all of them.
little
Yeah.
tiny prompt of memory, I will remember almost all of them. You know, I'm going to a board meeting today in my HOA to talk to them about officer presence being the first level of force needed and how important
100%.
officer presence is, especially when it comes to deterrence of crime without any additional resources needed. And I'm trying to just explain to them that one fucking present empty patrol car, a camera,
100%.
or something that shows law enforcement what level of deterrence that actually applies to a criminal who's thinking about committing a crime in my fucking neighborhood. And they just don't understand that because these old heads are like, it sounds expensive. I'm like, you can't put a price on it, you fucking idiots. Like, they don't get it. They don't get it.
You have to move out of the hood, bro. I've been telling you.
We need more police officers, and we need more police officers patrolling better, good neighborhoods.
I agree more. I couldn't agree more. And honestly, the majority of the things that you guys can do is just get somebody to patrol there. It doesn't have to even be a parked car. Just somebody driving through at random times is going to downplay the amount of crime you have. Where we are in Atlantic City, it's definitely a shithole, like you said, but it's it's got its areas where they're nice, but it's got areas where they're pretty bad. I always preferred the bad areas because they were the more fun places to work. You're getting the foot chases, you're getting I've been shot at a couple times. Luckily, never hit. It's been a good career. I've had a lot of fun. I've got a lot of injuries to show from my career, but
you let rounds go down range. You let rounds go.
I never have because I never had the opportunity. And you have to have the proper backdrop, and if you don't have that, we're responsible for every one of those rounds that flies out of our gun.
All you can do now is me and Logan. We go to the range, close our eyes, and just fantasize. You're back in the moment.
Just spray and pray.
And then we get kicked out for having erections.
Erections.
Yeah,
It's so annoying.
Someone breaking into my house. What? Why are you helicoptering dick at the range?
Man, I don't know. I love the range, but I can't wait to get back to shoot, man. I've been out for like I said a while, but
yeah, no, you're a badass. And so you're a trader.
Yes, sir.
How's that going?
Let's say could be better for sure. And I know my own problem. I get I definitely get emotional or emotionally involved when I have a trade that's not going my way, and I tend to hold on too long to a trade that's not going the right way. It's just everything you guys talk about every single time with every single person is pretty much where I'm at and what I'm doing. So I know my own mistakes, I know my own flaws. It's so hard to get out of my own way, if that makes sense.
Right. 100%.
So
100%.
I'm doing the best I can. I try to be smart with my shit, and it's like I'll have a great day. I'll make a couple thousand, then the next day it's like blown account. I'm like, how the fuck did I even do that? So
right.
Well, it's actually very simple. You see how you just said you make a couple thousand?
Yeah.
You see how you just said that? That's a lot of fucking money. How much do you make? You know how much do you make a month as a couple thousand? And you're doing it in one day, and then you're wondering how you blow a couple thousand the next day. It's because you're over leveraging. Like,
You're
you just said
100%
it right there.
Yeah, you're 100% right.
Downsize.
Let me ask you.
I traded 5 micros all day today.
Say again.
All day. I traded 5 micros today the whole day.
Okay, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at right now.
$200 per trade, $250.
Okay.
That's all you got to risk. You don't
you're
need
right.
to risk more than that. You need to actually become a profitable and consistent trader before even considering sizing up. And you never have to size up your position size. You only have to size up how many accounts you trade. Because if now, like these accounts, they're meant for you to blow. So if you're trading very light risk on them, and now you have not hundreds, but let's say tens of accounts. So you have 10, 20 accounts. Even $100 on the day, 20 accounts is $2,000 on the day.
Yeah.
Just
yeah,
a
you're
good day.
absolutely right.
That leads to a $10,000 week. A lot of people are trying to get a $10,000 day, and then they blow.
Yep.
Yesterday, you're risking too much.
Yep.
No, you're
These
right.
accounts only let you risk 3% on the day until the account's gone.
Yep.
And they allow you to go a leverage that's not even like real. Like 15 minis is unreal on a $4,500 drawdown. It's unreal. You only be able to do 4 minis. On a 50K account, you should only be able to do 2 minis. But they allow you to do 5 so you can pop the account. They give you that, they give you the finger, you take the whole hand.
Yeah. Give an
That's
inch,
why
take a
they-
mile, right? Is that the saying?
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, you're
All
right.
let me
I
do
mean,
a
like I said,
follow-up question. When you're locked in on trading, right, and you have to make a split decision. I mean, your emotions are getting the best of you, right? That's very like a discretionary shooting or something. You need to be able to make the right hard decision under pressure, like accepting a loss, not being greedy, understanding those emotions are taking advantage, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to post something in the chat, and I want you to quickly tell me, shoot or no shoot. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Go.
Shit. Where the fuck's the chat at?
Shoot or no shoot.
Oh, shoot, 100%.
Right. See, you see how quick we can make those decisions. That's a no-brainer. You have a hostile Bravo mic in front of you, and you have to be able to react very quickly, right? You have to be able to react very quickly.
You're 100% right.
So let's get.
Are you shooting because he has the gun, or did you not even notice he had a gun?
That was the first thing I saw, actually.
Right. No. I knew that answer.
That's unbelievable. This guy's a fucking legend. Yeah, I mean, you're being greedy. It sounds like you have a pretty strong risk tolerance. But with risk tolerance, you got to remember this is the great fight here. It's like I'm okay with making a big bag and going for the big numbers, but you're also got to be okay with the compounding gain effect, which is a little bit slower, right? And you have to be able to accept both worlds, which is tough to do. So a couple $1,000s might not get you the numbers in your head that you think are sexual, but I promise you over the course of a week, look what I just posted. Hold on. Look at the last 2 weeks I've been having with my funded future prime accounts. Look at these. And I just smacked my largest green day today. But look at these accounts. So 2,000, 2,900, 2,800, 2,000, 1,600, 2,500, 2,800, 2,600, and today I made 6,000. You know what I mean? So like, that's fucking over 25 grand. I'm up over $50,000. I'm almost up $60,000-$70,000 on funded accounts. 2 weeks, brother. 2 weeks. That's the power of compounding, right? I keep saying this. Lama keeps saying this. You have to be okay with the power of compounding, stacking accounts, and rotating. My Lucid accounts are up 40,000. My Lucid accounts are up 40, and I'm getting real close to a max payout with them. Tradeify, one more day for max Tradeify, Lucid, max payout, and FFF. Stacking, rotating, compound.
Okay. Yeah, I think my problem is, I hear a lot of people, even on your guys' site and stuff, just talking about, oh, I made this much, that much. And in my head, I'm like, I got to get there. And I know I'm not there. I'm not even ready to get there yet. I got to crawl before I walk, but I'm trying to leap and fly.
I'm going to tell you the cheat code. The first step is figure out what it is you make a day with your actual job that you get shot at doing. What is the actual amount you make a day? That should be your first target. Right. Following what some idiot is doing on the internet, you know what the problem? You never know what's real. How many of these idiots are posting a 20K a day and it's straight evals?
Yep.
And now you're trading, you're risking your funded accounts trying to chase what someone's doing on their evals. How do you not know someone just dropped 15 minutes or 15 minis on an eval and caught a 10 point?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's not sustainable. Right. You don't know these types of things. You don't know what type of trade they took, how they took the trade, what was their risk management, was that their 8th account of the day? Like, you don't know none of this shit. So you got to just avoid it. That's the one problem with trading now in 2026 is that the internet is everywhere and you're seeing all these results and you're trying to chase other people's things. I ran into this and it wasn't because of the internet. It was because I became friends with all the big boys that are doing brand and I started thinking, damn, I need to up my numbers. And I threw 20K into a trading account and I blew it in one day. Literally in 4 minutes, I blew 20 grand. Trying to chase these big days that I seen other people doing live in front.
Yes.
So I knew it was real, but I still wasn't there for that. I still wasn't ready for that type of move. Yeah, and you're here looking at fucking idiots on a Discord, like, oh my god, hey, I need to chase this. You need to figure out how are you going to replace your job. How much do you make a day getting shot at? That's what I need to try to make that amount, and then eventually not go for bigger numbers, just go for account. 100. I did $600 per account, and I'm completely satisfied. 680 times 5, 3.8K on a Monday.
Right.
5 micros, $600, 2 accounts. I mean 5 accounts.
And that's what I want to do. Is I don't need to make a ton of money. I'm not looking to be like the next, Bill Gates or some shit. I'm just trying to make enough to supplement what I'm going to get off my retirement, and that's only in 6 short years.
I mean, that sounds good. What you're saying to me sounds good, but we know that's not the truth. You just said you're making a couple thousand a day. That's being a fucking millionaire. You're not. You see how you're like contradicting yourself. Bro. If you want to supplement something, chase a couple hundred a day. You're making a couple thousand. You're actually normal. It's not normal. $3,000 a day is $1 million a year.
Right.
And you're doing a couple grand a day. Just chase a couple hundred. That's it. You're over risking on your accounts. That's why you're losing them.
No, you're under. I couldn't agree more with you. You're nailing everything you're saying. I mean, you really are. So there's no argument on my behalf for this.
No, I like that, bro. I mean, bro, you know what you're doing. Just
I hope you understand too that we try and lead by example. I require great levels of transparency and legitimacy from me, Lama, my traders on here, and getting payouts and showing them and being very transparent that, like, look, I'm still getting payouts here, and then the one and done for me, for Logan, that works. The big moves, the pivot points using the P2P system works for Lama and Coach, and then you have fucking Javi in his own world of getting payouts from fucking everyone and anything. So I mean, it's just like we just want to show, like, look at this. I just want to show right here. Last week, a couple weeks, I got 2 payouts right here from funded FFF and funded X. 17 grand. That's $17,000 in just under 2 weeks from each other. And now this week, I'm looking at pulling out another 15. So that's all within 1 month. $30,000. Just relaxing, having fun on my little show and trying to lead by example that compounding is the greater route always, always over. You might not think a couple $1,000s is a lot, but I promise you a couple $1,000s over the course of a month is more money than you'll ever make at any police department in the fucking nation, in the entire nation.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more with you guys. And it's just, I think with me, it's just always like, I always try and chase the next thing instead of being happy with where I'm at. And I know what I'm doing wrong.
What do you, I want to give you a free account, but since you're law enforcement, do you have any of the indicators?
I have Logan's indicator right now.
You have the PHP?
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
The pivot
All
number,
right.
yes.
Well, then I want to give you, brother. I want to throw you the 50K.
From the MVG.
I'm gonna throw you a 50K account, and then I will give you the PHP for a month, and
Sweet.
we'll give you any other indicator you want for an entire month for free. 20 years law enforcement, you fucking deserve it. If
I
there's
appreciate
anything else we could do to help you succeed in this, let us know. You know, you got our, but we got our all fam here, baby. You know, we the greatest first responder community in the fucking world for a
Yeah.
reason. So
I love you guys, man. I watch you guys every morning. You know, I definitely get a kick out of what you guys do. It's entertaining as hell, but it's also informing at the same time. And I know it's not financial advice, but you know what you
Nothing
guys
we
say
do is
does make
financial
sense. And it
advice.
does work. Yeah, that's right. It's not for financial advice, pussy.
I know that's right. Good shit.
Right.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
my
guys.
boy.
I really do appreciate you guys, and I know everybody else who's on here who always wants to try and get on the stage and everything else. That we do appreciate you also, and you know, a lot of my friends trade as well. My brother-in-law got me into it, and he's always trying to get up on your stage. He's like, "How the hell did you get up there last time?" I said, "I don't know. I just got lucky,
Random.
I guess."
Just
Random.
got lucky. It's all random.
Totally lucky, man. And I'm lucky that you guys called me up, and I appreciate you guys talking to me for so long.
We're
too.
lucky to have got to meet you, brother. Badass fucking 20-year cop from Jersey. We're lucky to get to meet you. Trust me. It's the other way around. We're just two fat idiots on a fun little show. So thank you for everything. Thank you for your continued service in that area. And we appreciate you. And if you need anything, we're around. We'll let Logan know. You know, 20-year cops, PHP guy. Make sure you can tap in with the live trading with him.
Okay.
And see what we can do. So we fuck with you,
Awesome.
brother. A lot. We really appreciate you and your brother, your friends. Let them know it's all luck. Keep messing with us. We got the greatest first responder community in the world, and we're gonna continue to support our boys in blue.
You guys are the best. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You got 2 months of 2 different free indicators and a free 50K Lucid account coming your way, brother.
Sweet.
Do me
Thank you
one
guys so
favor.
much. Thanks. Yes, sir.
Do me one favor.
You got it.
Stop trying to jump to the next big thing. Stay in your own lane.
You're right.
Or I give you a stupid ass reckless driving. All right. Stay in your own fucking lane.
You're the man. I'm only up. I went up $200 today, and I'm done with it because it's like I'm just driving myself
day.
nuts.
Good day.
That's it.
Good day.
$200 I didn't have. Right.
Your time's coming.
I appreciate you guys. Thanks, Lama. Thank you, Max. You guys have a great day.
You too, my friend.
Goated.
Take care.
Goated.
Good dude. Man.
Goated. I like that guy.
Cool fucking dude.
I like that guy.
He's a cool dude.
And that's the beauty. This is the beauty of bringing shit up. Like bringing people up is that everyone goes through what he's going through. Every single person. So every time somebody comes up and tells us what they're struggling with, everyone gets that little piece of psychology or that little piece of sauce or something that benefits them, because we all go through the same thing in trading. It's trading, over leveraging, and over trading. That's it. That's it. Just stay in your own fucking lane, bro.
Awesome.
You're looking at other people's moves and trying to chase shit and then end up getting nowhere.
It's a fact, maybe. That's a fact. Well, guys, we love you. Mods, that person I removed from the YouTube. We will never say fuck the police in my world. You don't get freedom of speech here, unfortunately, and you'll never tell me that you fuck the police, fuck the military, fuck veterans. Those are words that Big Daddy Max does not tolerate. So we need to figure out how to remove people from our YouTube permanently. So they think they could say whatever they want, but guess what? You can't, because I run this bitch. No.
Yeah, Hooligan says, can I ask Max a serious question? I think he has a good one.
Yeah. What is it?
Go ahead, Hooli. Talk to us. What do you got to say here?
Yeah, if you guys want free speech, go move to a fucking liberal state, dress like a fucking cat, and go protest or some shit. Any follow-up with that bot? What bot?
Bot?
What bot?
It's Jay Hooli. Is he talking about a bottom?
When you had the guys come on the show? What? Jay Hooligan. Option selling? Peak bot? Oh, I don't. It's still there and available. Yeah, you can look into that. I don't use the bot. I don't use the bot no more, so I'm not a fan. If it's up to you and your risk management, but it had slippage like crazy, bro, and I don't fuck with it. I don't fuck with it. So I prefer hands-on. I mean, no, they're good people. They're good people. Don't get it wrong. It's not fuck them. It's just I don't fuck with with that. They're good people though. It's really good people. I'll tell you right now, that the CTO over there is one of the nicest, sharpest dudes in the game, bro. If I could get him over here somehow, oh man, it'd be fucking game changer. It'd be a game changer. So we love you guys, man. We love you. Monday, Lama, absolutely fucking killing it. I got in on a short and 2 longs, which paid my biggest day on my fundeds ever. My biggest day on my fundeds ever. So I'm up on these fundeds, my biggest day ever. So I'm very, very happy with that. Took the short down with Lama. Lama had some crazy confluence and price targets. They all smashed. Was unbelievable. I waited for those. I played the BNR off of 300 for the last 4 trading days. I played a BNR off a major psychological level and smacked 4 for 4. So definitely a free chicken for anyone who's paying attention. It's not part of it's not even part of the mastermind. It's just a very well-known BNR off psychological levels with some strat 5. Very easy stuff. No need to go crazy and overcomplicate. But remember, while we do all this, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. NFA. We're just entertainers. We're not even traders anymore. We're just entertainers for real. Make sure you guys tap into Pay to Play University, the #1 course in the Why did I think that was someone making me a black guy?
I thought the same thing.
I don't know
Until you said it, I didn't even notice. I thought that was a black
I don't know
view.
why. I thought I was like, man, why do they keep turning me into a black guy? And I'm looking, I'm like,
that's a real person. I thought the same thing, bro.
I thought the same shit. Merch, mods. Let's get with the merch store. Let's open up an exclusive merch store drop. Let's get a merch store drop going. The 25 pieces of each. Let's get a quick little exclusive drop going. I know a lot of you have been asking. We'll definitely get a quick merch store drop. We've been waiting a long time, but we'll get something going. P2P, buy P2P course. Check out P2P course if you want to know. You don't have to buy the mastermind. It's up to you guys. Whatever course you want, it's up to you. Payment plans will be coming back soon. Molly's mom, if you need a hat, open a support ticket. We'll send you one for free when they drop. We'll get the merch store. Mods, let's get on Dan's ass. I want the merch store to do an exclusive drop. If you guys want to check out the mastermind or F1, option selling for F1 should have been uploaded. Powlin should have uploaded it. I believe she said. I believe she said that she did upload it. We'll double check that it is uploaded for F1, right? So on the website, guys, you can absolutely get it. I hope you guys are enjoying my options selling course. It has all been added to the mastermind for free. It is a game changer. So I hope you guys enjoy. Tap into the indicators if you want to learn any. Tap into the coaching. Tap into the fucking happy hour. We have what the fuck, trading wheels. Beginners coming in 45 minutes. We have the greatest programs for you all. Make sure you guys enjoy. You can find out so much more at maxoptionstrading.com. You can sign up for everything at maxoptionstrading.com. And that's it. I mean, unbelievable show. Make sure you tip the staff. Tip the staff. All the great donations today from YouTube. We really appreciate all of you. Renzi, Zing Pao, Sira, Ori Haram, Aminus, Hoodie, Zing, Truth Seeker, Zing. All of those donations go directly to the staff. So thank you guys so much for all the wonderful donations that go to the staff. And remember, if you guys are going to buy a prop firm, why not use code BDM across all the best props in the industry? Use code BDM. And that's it, baby. Support us, and we will continue to support you guys as much as we possibly fucking can. We love y'all. Amazing Monday. Trading Wheels is in 45 minutes, and don't miss it. Trading Wheels is going to be getting bigger, better, and crazier for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Amazing day. Amazing day. Big Daddy Lama.
Amazing, guys. Banger fucking day. Super, super crazy. Jumped in the initial short, 200 points to clear fucking targets, and was able to catch the reversal right back up. Can't complain. Stay in your own lane, guys. That's going to be the message of the day. Stay in your own fucking lane. Don't real and what isn't. You do what's going to make trading better for you. We appreciate y'all. Remember, all we ask for is tip the staff. Very simple. Tip the staff is all we care about. It's all that matters. If you're going to buy props, use code BDM on every single prop firm. And if you're on TPT, you can use code P2P. We're going to get some merch coming out again. We'll probably hit up JK to open. So I see a lot of y'all are asking for it. Other than that, guys, follow the educators. Repost our shit if you can. It helps us out. We're trying to grow our community even more. We're going to hit 71,000 members this week, which is huge. Another big milestone, guys. Go tap into today's Trading Wheels. Max, Trading Wheels coming up in the next 45 minutes, followed into the Power Hour, guys, and then going directly into Happy Hour, guys. It was a pleasure. We love y'all. Good shit today, Max.
Good shit, baby. Absolutely killed it. Anarchy. Kick fire on them hoes.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. First 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hella late, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo. Candles talk. What they saying? They say trend strong. Y'all keep praying. Which shout? What they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stands. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet.
Yo! Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet.